ChatGTP roast of Capricorn. Hey everyone, I'm Steve Ober, your number one AI stand-up guy, and this is the ChatGTP roast of Capricorn. Quick disclaimer, jokes only. If it hurts, blame the algorithm. Episode 22, Capricorn. And this one is personal. GPT, let's go. Capricorn, born stressed. These people don't chase dreams, they micromanage them. Roasted. Capricorns treat emotions like emails. Read, ignored, archives. Roasted. They don't flex, they silently succeed and then judge you for still trying. Relaxing to a Capricorn is doing something productively slower. Roasted. They'll say, I'm not emotional, but get offended if you don't respect their grind. Relationships with Capricorns feel like job interviews. High standards and no feedback, and long probation. Roasted. Final truth. Capricorn will build an empire from nothing and still feel behind. Roasted. I'm Steve Ober. This has been episode 22. Tag a Capricorn who needs a day off and drop your sign because episode 23 is coming.